Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Infinity Text. So in this video, I'm going to tell you about how to add the line spacing in your Word documents and the Word file. So for that, first of all, we need to go to the Word and simply we need to select this complete text. And now I need to add the line spacing. For this, you get the options of line spacing and the spacing in the Home tab. Simply click on this and here you get the details like if you want to add the line spacing 1.5 to 2.5 and any. And if you want to add the space from only the start and the after, simply you click on the line spacing options. And suppose I wanna add the line spacing after, so I'm going to select this 12 and okay. Here you can check the only line spacing is added after, not the before. From here, if I gonna select this one, you get the complete details. Here you can see only the bottom they have the line spacing, but not in the top. So there's also other the options you can use it, and you can also remove the line spacing by clicking here. So to get more informative videos like this, just follow my channel Infinity Tech. Bye.